Hey guys, welcome back. I've got the old Toro recycler, and I've done so much to this mower. I've replaced the head gasket, new carburetor, everything, and it was still run for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, die, and then basically it won't restart. So I've been searching around YouTube, and I think what I'm going to try is the breather tube delete. Oh man, this is looking rough. Look at this. This air cleaner cover is not looking good. Let's looks like we got a screw here holding it on, maybe. Not sure what happened there. Let's get that off and take a look. Oh, looks like there's some gunk along the bottom of that, doesn't it? Yeah, so you can tell there is oil that is getting in. This is where the breather tube connects, comes up behind this plastic and back in the carburetor. So I'm gonna have to get a new filter, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that delete on this first. So let's go ahead and take these 3 screws off and we'll see how easy this is. Yeah, definitely getting oil in here. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you replace your head gasket, it'll fix it. I already did that, didn't fix it. So it's probably piston rings. Somebody gave me this mower, so I don't really know the history of it. But it's a good mower. It's a good mower, just doesn't stay running. So maybe this will help me get a few more seasons out of it. We'll see. Right back here is my breather tube. Yeah, just oil coated. So what they say to do, and I'll report back on how this works. Basically, just turn that around so it points down, and it's going to dump this sludge all on the mower still. So we'll clean that up every now and again, wipe it down. Then we go ahead and just going to clean the back of this real quick, because we are getting ready for the season here. So one thing we'll need to do is plug up the back, and I'm really tempted to make a 3D printed plug here. You know what? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's take this inside and do that. Okay guys, I decided against the 3D printed plug. I lost my sense of adventure. I'm gonna do what everybody else does and just shove a bolt in there and it plugs that hole up. You know, we're dealing with heat coming off of this from back here, so I just decided against it. I know, call me a chicken, but yeah, maybe I will later on. We'll see. I really just want to see if it fixes it first before I do anything too elaborate, I guess. Alright, gotta line this back up. I'm gonna have to get in front of you for a second, sorry. I can't really see. Don't want to cross thread these. Alright, we got a bolt in there. And now, let's see if we can get these started on the carb. There we go. I think I hit it finally. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, I did. Maybe I didn't. Oh boy. Alright, let's pump this out, see if we can line this up. Oh, it's so hard to see, guys. Is it hard for you to see too? There we go. There's one. This one is Very difficult. There we go. Now we're getting it in there. Get that tightened down so that gasket sticks, and there is a gasket back there. Same color as the housing, so it's tough to see, but there is a gasket there. This is just us prepping for the season, but we're going to wash this down on a different day when it's a little bit warmer. And as we get ready to mow, you can see the grass out there, we're not quite ready. We'll mow the entire yard with this. It used to quit when I was about 3/4 of the way done. I have a pretty big yard. We'll see if it keeps running with this mod, with the breather tube delete. So we'll be back here in just a minute. Hey guys, I know that was a little hard to see. Sorry about that, but there's a little breather tube on the back of your air intake, like the piece that goes onto your carburetor where it sucks air in. All you gotta do is pull that off and point it downwards. It spins on it on the crankcase mount kind of a little bit. You can just spin it downwards, and then you take a bolt and you plug up the back of your air intake so it doesn't take in unmetered air around the filter. I'm happy to say that this is quite a bit time later for me. I made that video maybe about 1.5 years ago, but it worked really well. That mower is still running. I can't believe it, and it's running really well. I used it in the fall to pick up my leaves because it has a bag on it. It's running really well. So highly recommend this fix. It does spit out a little oil. Like I said, it's probably a piston ring issue, like what they call blow by or whatever they call that. So I do have to add more oil now and again to the engine, but I'm okay with that because it still works and it doesn't smoke a lot. So it's not like I'm out there in a cloud of smoke mowing, but it works great. Highly recommend it. Check your breather tube. Just kind of bend it down out of the way, plug that up. I just use like a 1/4 inch bolt, I think it was, a little small bolt. Just plug it up with something so the air doesn't get in behind the filter, and you should be good to go. Anyway guys, quick fix. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.